In today's video, I'm going to teach you some beginner's tips for organizing your Ecwid store effectively. Whether you're setting up your online shop for the first time or just looking to tidy things up, this guide will walk you through the essentials to help your products shine. Let's start by heading over to your Ecwid control panel. This is your main dashboard where you'll find all the tools you need to manage and organize your store. Once you're in the control panel, click on Catalog. This section is crucial because it's where you maintain your product listings and overall store structure. Next, we're going to focus on categories. Click on Categories. Organizing your products into categories is a fantastic way to help your customers find what they're looking for quickly and efficiently. Think of categories like the aisles of a supermarket. Each one should guide your customers toward the products they're interested in. Now, let's add a new category to your store. Click on Add Root Category. This will allow you to create a primary category that can house several subcategories or individual products. Enter the name of your new category. Make sure the name is clear and concise to ensure customers immediately understand the type of products they might find there. For example, if you're selling clothing, you might have categories like men's, women's, or accessories. After you've typed in your category name, don't forget to save it. Saving your new setup ensures that all the changes you've made are reflected in your online store immediately. Next, let's make use of your best sellers category. Click on best sellers. If you haven't set this up yet, it's a great idea to showcase your top performing products to new visitors. Once you're in the category, click on Assign Products to Category. This is where you can start to really fine-tune what's showcased in each category. Select the products you want to feature in your new category. This selection is pivotal. It not only organizes your store more effectively, but also highlights the products that customers love the most. With your products selected, you're ready to complete this task. Click on Highlight to make these items stand out. Finally, click on Add Products to confirm your selections. This action will make sure that the products you've picked are highlighted in the chosen category. And there you have it. By following these steps, you will have successfully organized your Ecwid store, making navigation a breeze for your customers and driving more effective sales. Keep exploring and experimenting with your store's layout to find out what works best for you and your customers. Thanks for watching.